Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are going to start one new tutorial on shell scripting. Okay, so this tutorial will be from basic to advanced as well. I will cover this topic. Okay, so introduction we will be covering getting started with bash script structure we are going to discuss. We are also going to discuss variable and data type. We are also going to discuss control structure. We are also going to discuss functions, files handling, advanced technique, best practices, okay, and real-time example we are also going to see. So let's discuss why we need shell scripting. Okay, so suppose you are working as a DevOps engineer, okay, and you need to clean up your DB. Then you have to write shell script there that will be on weekly basis or daily basis or monthly basis. That script will be running and that script will clean up your DB. Suppose you are launching one EC2 instance and you want to install Jenkins on that EC2 instance. So you have to write shell script using user data, or if you are launching EC2 using Terraform, then you have to use provisioners. Okay, you have to use provisioners to install Jenkins. Whenever the EC2 instance will get launched, Jenkins will get installed on that using the script. Okay, so like we use shell script to automate certain kind of task. So just understand in simple way. Okay, so let's discuss this. Shell script is essential skill for DevOps engineer. Okay, it is as it empower you to automate tasks, streamline process, manage infrastructure more efficiently. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you on a journey from basic of shell scripting to advanced technique, complete with a real-time example and code snippet. Okay, so we are going to discuss everything, whatever you need to know as a DevOps engineer about shell scripting. We are going to cover all the things, okay, in this tutorial. So this is that's it for this video. We will be seeing introduction to shell scripting in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. See you in the next video.